Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn some short trick to create half-face text portrait effect. Invoke the ruler tool by pressing Ctrl R and place it at the center of the image. Now create a text layer and fill it with quoted words. Now copy the main image by pressing Ctrl J and place it above the text layer. Now press Alt key for clipping mask. Again select the main image and press M for marquee tool and drag half portion of it. Create a mask layer, then press Ctrl I for inverting the mask. And that's it. A half-face text portrait effect is done. Thank you for watching this video.